Hello EOS Nation! Today we will be reviewing how to create a new account or possibly your first EOS account using Lynx wallet. First, you will need to download and install the mobile application. Note that Lynx wallet also has a website, EOSLynxWallet.com, but it does not currently support account purchases. We will be exploring this in part 2 of this series as an intermediate exercise. There are 3 general ways to create an EOS account. 1. You can purchase an account using fiat with an out-of-the-box ready-to-use application such as Lynx Wallet, as we will be demonstrating in this video. 2. Another option is to purchase an EOS account and import it into a wallet. Part 2 of this series will be exploring this option. 3rd, you can create a new EOS account with an existing account, something which we will discuss in part 3 of the series entitled Advanced Account Creation. In my case, I'm using an Android phone. So going to the Google Play Store, or if you're an Apple user going to the iOS App Store, search for Lynx Wallet by Needly and install it to your device. Once you open the application, it will ask you if you'd like to create or import an account. For this exercise, we'll be creating one. It will then ask you for which blockchain provider you would like to use, so click on EOS obviously. Now, enter a personal 6-digit PIN number. This is just an extra layer of local device security. Choose a password that works for you. The application will also allow you to sign in using the biometric fingerprint stored on your device. You'll then have to create an account name. Remember that in EOS, account names are 12-character alphanumeric from A to Z and numbers 1 through 5. The application will notify you if the account name you have chosen is unavailable. Next, you'll be asked to select payment information based on your payment settings. Once selected, it will ask you to confirm and tap to buy. Once payment is successful, the application will create your account and provide you with a private key. Remember, this is something that we recommend you copy and store securely off your phone. It will ask you to copy your private key and paste it in the next screen. Once confirmed, you'll be taken to the wallet where you can immediately start using your new account. Features of the wallet include adding and creating new accounts, accessing EOS mobile games and applications, and the ability to invite your friends and account key management, to name a few. Your keys are stored securely to your wallet, and you may access them by entering your security PIN or using your biometric fingerprints. Other handy features include using a QR code to request funds from someone who simply scans your screen. And you could also manage your account resources, where you'll be able to stake and or unstake blockchain resources such as CPU and net, as well as the ability to purchase additional RAM. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below or message us on Telegram in our EOS Nation channel. Have a great day!